A mother of 5 approached our door at 7:50 p.m. with closing time of 8 p.m. blinking in the window. She was apprehensive and unsure, but her third child, Joss, usually a very happy and delightful baby girl of 5 years old, just wasn't feeling well. She needed help, and she didn't know where to turn. She had just moved to the state, didn't have family or funds, and was not signed up for any government help. So she felt completely alone, nervous, and lost. As she approached the front desk with all 5 kids in a tow, a friendly smile greeted her along with a very approachable, "Welcome, please let me know what I can do for you." The lonely, lost, nervous, and unsure mom smiled back, however for just a glimmer. As she explained her situation, the friendly girl behind the desk informed her not to worry. "Let's get Joss back to see our provider." As the mom began to fill out the paperwork, the friendly girl behind the desk asked if she had heard about our membership plan that Sterling Urgent Care offers. Of course, being new to town, she had not. As the friendly girl began to explain the program, indicating that for $1 amount each month, this mom would be able to bring all of her children into the clinic and be seen whenever she needed, as long as Sterling was opened. She also explained that as an urgent care, Sterling was open 6 to 7 days a week, 12 hours a day. As hope began to dawn, this mom began to cry. What a wonderful blessing to be able to have access to health care for her and her entire family, for a price that is less than a cell phone bill, a treat to the movies, or a dinner out with a family of 6. Right then, Joss and her mom were called back to the room to see the provider, and yes, she had a severe ear infection that was about to burst. As the provider went over the reality of the situation, she knew that she would have to come up with yet additional funds for the medication that would be required to help poor Joss. Deep in thought, she was startled when the provider mentioned that he would get her the meds before she left that night, so she wouldn't have to go to a pharmacy dragging her kids behind. She started to smile, but this time it didn't go away. Upon her checkout, she spoke again to the friendly girl behind the desk and learned all about what the Sterling Urgent Care membership provided, and was astonished that lab work and x-rays were also available. Even her 7-year-old boy Lane, who was so energetic and already had a broken bone in his life, would be able to be seen after his many wild escapades of jumping off the roof and cracking his hand in the car door. She was sold. She enrolled her family that night, leaving with a heart full of awe, hope, and gratitude. Sterling Urgent Care membership, to be used when you need it while you're at home or even when you're at work. That is what makes Sterling Urgent Care unique.